Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by washing and drying the pan. This removes factory oils. Once done, heat the dry pan over medium for 1 to 2 minutes so microscopic pores open. Make sure to apply about 1 teaspoon of high smoke oil and spread it evenly while the surface is warm. Then immediately wipe away excess with a paper towel so a thin film remains. This creates a bonding layer that helps food release and minimizes future sticking. You now perform the first real cook to finish seasoning and learn heat behavior. Once the pan is preheated 2 to 3 minutes, test with a single drop of water. It should sizzle and dance. Make sure to add oil and wait until it shimmers before introducing food. This prevents sticking. Cook a simple protein like an egg or thin chicken breast so you can judge sear and release. If it sticks, resist flipping too soon. Patience often solves that issue. You finish by cooling the pan slightly and washing with warm water. Avoid abrasive soap or scouring pads that strip the seasoning. If food is stuck, make sure to simmer a little water in the pan to loosen bits, then scrape gently with a wooden or silicone tool and wipe clean. Once dry, apply a thin oil layer to protect the surface and store. If persistent sticking continues, repeat the light oil heat cycle to rebuild the bonding layer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.